Hello everybody and welcome to the new video of the White Dragon. Hello, and this is a video and we listen on an app she calls Instant Bottom. We listen funny sounds and I try not to laugh, or I make special moves to the sounds. This is just a funny video. Or not, I don't know. Okay, let's say we start now. And first, the sound. This you can listen what I hear with my box. And now we start. Oh, so, okay, already? Good.
And his name is John C.
Okay.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Okay. Nice. Okay. Beep.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Thanks. A moment.
Just do it! Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Look. Okay. Okay, this was a confused and that was with this video. Thanks guys for watching this video. And if you have liked this video and it is good or not, I don't know. If say me, why not do it and watch what coming. Yes, I will glad about feedback, about comments in my video, under my video now, in my video. And then we see us on the next video. Watch 100 videos of me. And away. Enjoy your life. And we see us on the next video. Goodbye. And the White Dragon is out. Bye.